What's going on? It's Sarge back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create custom landing pages using a software called ClickFunnels. Now, if you click the link below in the description, you'll get a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels. This will allow you to create custom landing pages, and if you're a social media marketer, you're going to need to create landing pages. This is an absolute must. As you've seen in my previous videos, almost every campaign, we're sending people to a landing page. We send them there to educate them on a product or a service, and most of the time we're sending them there in order to collect their information, their name, their phone number, their email address, their birthday, and we'll use that information down the line to remarket them and retarget them with additional ads. So if you're marketing, a landing page is a very key part of the marketing funnel. And ClickFunnels allows you to create these custom landing pages. So again, 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels. If it works for you, if it's right for you, if you want to make custom landing pages, click that link below and get that trial. All right, so I'm going to show you guys now step-by-step process of how to, a very simple tutorial on how to create a landing page. So once you sign up for ClickFunnels, this is the process you're going to go to in order to get your first landing page up and running. All right, here we go. Okay, so you created an account, you got that 14-day free trial started, and where you're gonna be is this page right here. This is kind of your account, your account's homepage. Here there's gonna be a ton of information. You know, you can see your contacts, see the amount of pages you have active, you could track sales if that's something you're doing. You could see the amount of total funnels that you have at the current moment. Ton of things, ton of information on this page, but that's something to dive into maybe for another video. Today we're going to focus on strictly how to set up a very basic landing page where we'll be able to collect information from people who land there. Okay, so once you're on this landing page, the next thing, once you're on this home page, I've just got a landing page stuck in my head, I'm probably going to say that a million times in this video, so drink every time I say landing page, you'll be hammered. But once you're on your home page here, you're going to want to click on the top right up there. I'm going to put arrows into this where make it a little clearer exactly what I'm talking about and where we're going, but you're going to click the ClickFunnels drop down and click on where it says funnels. It's going to take you here, and what this is basically the page where you're going to be able to manage all your active funnels. It'll have a list of all the funnels that you've ever made. It'll show you which ones are active, which ones are not, and you'll be able to go in there, edit, see the contacts and see the information that you've collected, and just basically maneuver around all the various funnels that you have created. So once you're on this page, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Add New at the top there. Once you click it, you're going to see this pop up, come up, a cookbook builder process or a classic funnel builder. So the cookbook process is going to let you explore a ton of different types of filters that are pre-done by ClickFunnels. So these are kind of already just pre-made filters that you will say what your goal is with your landing page, and a pre-made funnel will be made, and you can use that and you can do slight edits to it, but the landing page as itself will be basically done and completed for you. But for this situation, we're going to do a classic funnel builder. This is going to allow us to build one from scratch and customize it for our business or for however we want to use it. Okay, so go ahead and click on Create New Funnel in the classic, under the Classic Funnel Builder. All right, and what it's going to do is take you here, and you're going to select the goal of your landing page, right? So we're going to be able to collect emails. You're going to want to, if you want to sell products, you obviously clicked on Sell Products. You can host a webinar here, or you could choose to create a completely custom funnel that has nothing to do with those three. For the sake of this video, and 90% of the landing pages that I do is used to collect emails. Obviously, it's not just emails. We're also going to be collecting names, phone numbers. You can collect address. We collect birthdays. Just collect any information about a particular person who's landing on this landing page. So go ahead, click on Collect Emails. Okay. It's going to take you here where you're going to be able to name your funnel. This is going to be just something for you on the back end where you can keep your funnels organized. Another organizational tool is select the groups. So if you're like me, a social media marketing agency, you're going to have a ton of different funnels for a ton of different clients, and this is a way to keep it very organized and group them by business. And again, that's going to be specific for you as to how you want to group and organize your funnels. But if you're doing this frequently, you're going to have a lot of funnels, and keeping them organized is going to be extremely important. Okay, so once you name your funnel, select a group, you're going to go ahead and click Build Funnel. Okay, click Build Funnel. It's going to take you here. So ClickFunnels has a ton of kind of pre-made I guess funnels for you to use, or pre-made templates for you to use and kind of pivot off of and build around. So you can see here all these different people, a lot of different women, pictures. You're going to be able to click one of these, and when you preview it or when you click it, you'll see that it's going to come up exactly like this, and you're going to be able to edit, change wording, change images, but the layout of it will be exactly the same. I basically do this all the time because messing around with ClickFunnels customization is a little difficult. So having that template to build off of and build around makes things very easy. You could just delete one thing and enter your own thing, rename a button, and it makes it extremely easy. And the layouts themselves are already pretty nice, and they're already very well organized. So again, if you don't want to do any of that though, you can completely start from blank, completely start from scratch and build your own customized funnel. But what we're going to do now is click on one of these, and we'll click on this just opt-in one here, and now you'll see here we now have this funnel selected. On the left there's the opt-in and thank you. Those are the two different pages within our landing page. So when I create a landing page, I don't really ever make them very in-depth. There's not a lot of places for someone to click, because the main goal of sending someone to a landing page is to collect their information, right? So we don't want them coming to our landing page and then getting lost in a bio, or getting lost on a map, or if you're a realtor, getting lost within the MLS, right? All we want them to do is enter their information, so that's the only option I give them. So it's usually just a 2-page funnel for me. It's the page that they land on where they can enter their information, and once they hit submit, it takes them to the landing, to a thank you page. That's absolutely it. The thank you page can have a little more information if you choose, but again, you want to collect their information. That is the main goal. You don't want to be selling them anything else. You've already paid, if you're doing through Facebook ads or wherever, paid to get this person to land on this page, right? You want them to finish and actually enter in their information, right? You gotta complete the goal of the landing page. So give them no other options. Stick with this 2-page, the opt-in and then the thank you, and you'll be gold, okay? So if you click on the opt-in here, you click here on edit page, that is going to bring you into the actual page itself. From here, you'll be able to see their template and completely customize and change every aspect of it. So where it says Mother Funnel Secrets, just in, you could change the wording, you could put an image there. The backgrounds with the mountains, you could change the pictures. All this is done through that top bar where it says section, rows, columns, elements. Adding those is all through there, but if you simply just click on what you want to edit, you could delete it, you can edit it, you can change the picture very, very, very easily. All from this page. So for example, if I click on the Get Started Today button, you'll see this pop-up comes up. It allows me to change the size, change the margins, edit the action. If I click on that set action, I'll be able to say, send it to this URL or send it to our Facebook page. We could determine the action of that button all through here. The button text, we could change what it says. Instead of saying Get Started Today, we can have it say absolutely anything you want. Change the color, change the font. You can customize it absolutely any way you want, okay? So again, and this is going to be true for every single thing that's on this landing page. So you can click on it, little pop-up will come up and allow you to completely edit it, completely customize it exactly how you want, along with obviously the actions. You can add your icons for your social media. Absolutely any action you want to be done, you can create a button for it. All right. So the same thing is true here. If you hit save on the top right, it'll take you back to the funnel, the particular funnel's homepage, right? So we're working on the opt-in, but now if you go back and click on thank you, you can now work on the thank you page of the funnel. And the thank you page, again, click on it. There'll be a ton of different pre-loaded landing pages to use, all of them around saying thank you to someone, and the same exact process applies to what we just did. You click on a pre-built funnel and you edit and customize it exactly how you want based on that layout. Obviously, as I keep mentioning, you can do a customized start from blank template, but using a predetermined one keeps it organized, and you can customize it how you want based on their organization. Okay, so that's really just it. You set up this landing page and use their templates, edit them to make them how you want, and roll it out. Okay? So now that you have created your landing page, you created your thank you page, you now want to add this link into your Facebook ads, into your email campaigns, wherever you are going to generate traffic for this landing page. The URL for the landing page is then created right here. So when you're on the very first opt-in page, or where you go to edit your opt-in, on the top there'll be a URL. I highlighted it right here. And this URL is going to be the URL for the first step within your page. This is going to be the one you're going to use on your Facebook ads or use wherever you're going to use it. You could take it on to a link shortener like Bitly or something like that and make it a little smaller, but this is going to be the link you're going to use to send traffic to this landing page. So there it is, a very simple tutorial on how to create landing pages using ClickFunnels and the ClickFunnels templates. Use this today to start collecting information on potential customers so you can market them down the line. If this is something you're interested in, again, link in the description for a 14-day free trial. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.